Do our best when our destinations are beyond the measurement, when our reach continually exceeds our grasp, and when we have immortal finish lines. And when we do this, the race is never over. The journey has no port. The adventure never ends because we are always on the way.
Welcome back to C10Z04. I've got good news and I've got bad news. Which do you want first?
Fine. Give me the damn veggies.
So the bad news, we're getting rid of the MKZ. It's bittersweet. It was my first, technically that's the first car I've actually purchased myself. But all good things must come to an end. So we're gonna go trade this in.
You know I like my dessert first.
The good news, on the other hand, is that while we're getting rid of the 13 MKZ, we're gonna go and pick up a 2018 MKZ. So we are going to skip all the boring stuff of what my car is worth and what they give me for it and all the boring stuff. And we're gonna skip right to the cinematic introduction that you guys are probably only watching this video to see. Okay, and we're back home with 2018. Now, I'm going to answer the question I'm sure everyone here is thinking, why did you get rid of one MKZ and go get another MKZ? And the answer to that would be, I didn't. You guys should know that, for one, we just bought the F-150. It's like, I ain't got it like that, okay? There's no sense in trading in this MKZ to go get another MKZ. Even though this other red one is super loaded and it's newer and all that good stuff, financially it just doesn't make any good sense. But the real story behind this is my mom's MKX, I want to say it's 2016 MKX. Basically the power lift gate was all jacked up, so we had to drop it off. And this is the loaner car. But we can't just get a loaner car and not make a YouTube video out of it. And of course, if we're gonna do a YouTube video about a loaner car, we gotta make it juicy and interesting. So, sorry I lied to you guys. I told you guys the truth in the end. And, while I would actually do something like that, because this car is super, super nice. It's got every option next to the very top tier. Like I said, it just doesn't make good sense. And, I would never get red, okay? I would literally be the guy to go and get a white car after I just traded in a white car. So judge me for it or not. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment down below on your thoughts on the opening little intro. I'm trying something new. I think it looks pretty cool, but just comment and let me know if I should keep it. I'm probably gonna keep it either way, but let me know. So thanks for tuning in.